I'm ready.
Okay, we're going to show what we're going to get.
That.
205. And if I put in, over here, I put in 205, it tells me it's a buck and a half. So, money. And look, as I'm putting it in, it's showing the money. I think you're too close there.
Sorry about
Yeah,
that.
I don't want to lose focus.
I just can't get the best video.
Ready?
I gotta zoom in a little bit.
We're in the way. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
205.
Drop a bunch of them. That was a
That's an epic one.
epic win. We got one.
Careful.
This was an epic fail, aka epic win. Well, ain't that an epic fail? That was a glitch.
That definitely was a glitch.
Well, that was an epic win. This definitely made for some interesting video.
I have to go tell them it's broken.
Well, we can go home with these. And there you have it. Like, what is this? Chips? There you have it. Chips out of a vending machine. And that's it. Alright. That's it, goodbye. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. And that's it, goodbye. Bye. Bye.